We're getting in breaking news from the top court viewers as the Supreme Court is hearing the RG Kaur rape and murder case, the suo case. We're getting in updates from the court as we speak. In fact, these are visuals of the hearing is underway, viewers. These are yesterday's visuals, I believe, as per the date. These are visuals of the protest, and right now we are getting in that there is of course the hearing that is going on, and the CBI has submitted its status report before the Supreme Court, and CGI asked that what really happened in the investigation, that the CBI is in touch with the parents of the deceased, wants to see progress the task force has done. That is what Justice D.Y. Chandrachud is saying in the court in the latest update that we have right now. Mayuk Ghosh, senior editor, R Bangla, joins us in the broadcast from Mayuk. Of course, a crucial hearing right now, and the CJI, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, in this suo motu case, asking an update on the progress of the investigation. What has the special task force done up until now in this fight for justice for Abhaya?
Well, absolutely, and most importantly, let me introduce the lawyers right now representing specific sides. We have the Solicitor General of India, Tushar Mehta, representing the CBI. We have Kapil Sibal representing the state of West Bengal. We have Firoz Adulji representing the petitioners, as well as Karuna Nandi, who's representing Abhaya's family, and Indira Jaisingh representing the junior doctors. So basically, Chief Justice of India right now is asking Solicitor General of India, Tushar Mehta, the status of the task force that was made, that was announced in Supreme Court on 9th of September. What developments has been done? What are the developments that has been made? Tushar Mehta has specifically given numbers of hospitals that have been contacted, that has been roped in. More than 8,000 hospitals right now have been registered, and there the task force will specifically do certain things that has been highlighted, outlined by the Supreme Court. Along with that, right now, Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice Chandrachud is asking the state government what actions the state government has taken regarding the security, regarding the infrastructure. What are the steps that the state government has taken? From the state government side, right now we are getting in is that they have clearly said that by 31st of October, all the works will be done. Biometric access has already been registered, restroom construction has already been started. All these things will be finished by 31st of October is what the state of West Bengal is saying. West Bengal Council is saying where the places where outsiders entry was heavy, those heavy entry points has been stopped, has been restricted. Biometric entry and exit points have been made. All this claims has been made by the West Bengal Government Council. On the other hand, Karuna Nandi, Abhaya's family's lawyer, they are saying that our doctors, our clients have specifically mentioned that a lot of things have not been done, and there are several backlogs which are there. Right now, the conversation between the State Government Council and the Chief Justice of India is on. Along with that, Karuna Nandi is standing, and Karuna Nandi is actually intervening in certain points where the state government is claiming something, and the junior doctors have specifically said that these are not true. Right now, the West Bengal Health Secretary's version is being quoted, and the budget allocation for the state government's health schemes has been mentioned, and most importantly, what has been the budget allocations is right now being discussed. CGI is right now reading out the order regarding the status of the infrastructure, the security, and the nodality of the state government hospitals renovation as well as refurbishment. And here, Chief Justice of India has noted down the claims of the state government as well as the demands of the junior doctors. Remember, the junior doctors are still on hunger strike. It's more than 250 hours that have passed. They are not eating any food. They are not having juices or glucose those, they are only surviving on waters. And more than 7 junior doctors right now are on fasting, on hunger strike. So this is the condition right now, and we are getting in the pictures of the Supreme Court hearing, where we are showing you that right now, on one hand, Mr. Kapil Sibal is there representing the state government. On the other hand, Tushar Mehta is there, Solicitor General representing the CBI in this case. Along with that, Karuna Nandi right now is speaking, and we are getting the referrals of the state governments, where state government is specifically saying a few things. But right now, what we are getting in Mamata Banerjee is right now specifically there are clear mentions of the state government being questioned by the Chief Justice of India regarding the infrastructure, what they have done.
Right. In fact, as we speak, there are multiple updates that we're getting in from the top court. Karuna Nandi, the senior advocate, of course, as our senior editor was telling us, that the doctors are the CJ, in fact, has talked about how the task force will be needing that. In fact, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta has said that what the task force is doing, that will bring long-lasting solution, and hence the task force requires some extra time. And this is the latest, as the 10th hearing is underway right now, viewers. Approximately 7,800 hospitals submitted information to task force, and the CGI, of course, now talking about what progress has been made. Moyuk, that's a 10th hearing that is underway right now. CBI has submitted its 5th status report to the Supreme Court bench. At the same time, we see that the anger, the outrage amongst the junior doctors continues, and there's more pressure now. There's added pressure and responsibility on the judiciary, on the state, on the authorities to really act and, understand the requirements, understand the demands, and deliver justice as soon as possible, because these are junior doctors who are now fasting unto death. These are pan-India protests, with Bengal being the epicenter, and these protests are happening for more than a month now, and they are relentless in this demand for justice for abhaya, and for all the doctors, for the safety of doctors in the country and in the state of West Bengal. Moyuk. Moyuk, can you hear me?
Right now, what we are getting in from the High Court of Calcutta also, there's a separate case that is going on. And right now, what we are getting in, another blow for the state government. Mamata Banerjee's government had tried to stop the junior doctors' carnival. On one hand, the senior doctors are on strike, and on the other hand, junior doctors who are on hunger strike, they tried to do a carnival, which was stopped by the state government police. And right now, what we are getting in, the High Court has allowed the carnival of junior doctors. This is going to be a separate carnival. This carnival is going to be allowed, and this has been allowed by the Calcutta High Court. The Honorable Calcutta High Court has allowed the junior doctors carnival. So basically, it's a big blow. It's a big blow for the state government right now. On one hand, when the Supreme Court of India, the Chief Justice, Honorable Chief Justice, is hearing out the development of the CBI case, this is one development. And on the other hand, a separate case was filed in High Court, Calcutta High Court. Bikash Ranjan Bhattacharya, the lawyer, had filed this case, and they had challenged the way Section 144 of IPC has been implemented in certain sections of Kolkata. Prohibitory orders were restricted, orders were placed so that junior doctors cannot march, so that junior doctors cannot celebrate the carnival they have arranged. It's called the Carnival of the Rebels. rebellion, the Droher carnival is what they said. The carnival of rebellion was stopped. The carnival of rebellion was prohibited, was restricted by the state government. It was challenged, and junior doctors went to the Calcutta High Court. Calcutta High Court has specifically mentioned that this cannot be stopped, and they can continue with this carnival celebrating, but it has to be peaceful. It has to be completely abiding by the law and order of the state. So basically, it's a big blow for the Mamata Banerjee government. Right now, state government is in a back foot again in Calcutta High Court, and on the other hand, Supreme Court right now is hearing the case of Abhaya and Arjikar.
Absolutely. In fact, it's an important update coming in, Mayuk, because earlier we saw that the doctor group had asked for this urgent hearing for this demonstration called the Drohe Carnival. And back then, we understood that the Kolkata police had denied the permission, citing concern it would overlap with the annual Durga Idol Immersion Carnival of the state government. And the medical community had dismissed, saying that there was enough distance. And now, finally, it's a big win for the doctors' community. Now, tell us more about this Drohe Carnival as you're speaking, because this is, of course, another protest. But what do we expect? There is a fast unto that is underway, and this is a Drohe Carnival. Tell us more details, please, about this, Mayuk.
Well, as you know, the state government every year organizes a carnival for the Durga Puja. This is kind of a closing ceremony of the UNESCO registered Durga Puja, one of the biggest festival in West Bengal and eastern part of India. Probably in India also, it's one of the biggest celebration right now. And state government has sponsored this entire carnival where all the Durga Puja pandals, they showcase their art, they showcase the goddess images, the idols, and people from all over the country and as well as world. They come here, they are being invited, and it's a work of all the artworks that has been portrayed for the last 10 days. This carnival, on one hand, Mamata Banerjee trying to divert the attention and grab all the limelight so that the junior doctors' hunger strike can go in the back foot. On the other hand, junior doctors had said that we are not going to participate in the carnival. If someone wants to go to the carnival, they can go, they can enjoy, but we are not right now not in a position to celebrate, to be a part of this carnival. Rather, we will do a carnival of rebellion where we will raise slogans, we will sing songs of protest, we will paint the streets, we will shout justice for Abhaya, we will demand the things that we have been demanding. And this was the carnival of the rebellion, that is in Bengali precisely, Droher Carnival, the carnival of Droh. And this carnival was stopped. Just to stop this carnival, huge police deployments were there from the morning, and you can see the visuals, the amount of police deployment in and around Kolkata. On the heart of the city, we are seeing police deployment like a special event a day. So basically, Mamata Banerjee tried to stop the carnival of rebellion, the Droher Carnival, what they said. But they are right now free to organize, to work, and to celebrate the Carnival of Rebellion after this Calcutta High Court verdict, where Calcutta High Court has allowed the carnival to take place.
In fact, as we speak, Mayuk, we are getting in more updates from what's happening in the court, the proceedings underway, the hearing underway. And in the latest, the Chief Justice of India, Justice G.Y. Chanchur, viewers, has said, I'm just reading out, that as regards the status of the work at the RG Court, the affidavit contains the following. All right, it's talking about the shortfall work at 228 medical colleges will be completed by 21st of October and at RG Court on the 31st of October. And it also, the CGI has also added in the order that the IHMS should ensure that the hospital referred should have one available bed. All right, these are, Supreme Court also says NTF meetings should be held periodically, directed to formulate recommendations on safety of Kolkata doctors within 3 weeks. That's another update that we have right now received from the court, viewers. Also, CGI talking about the committees by state grievance redressal, security audit at state and district levels, verification of the security personnel deployed at the hospitals has been completed. That's what he has said. And remember, this is a very crucial hearing. This is a suo motu hearing, suo motu case hearing. And we will continue to get you more updates, viewers. Thank you so much, Moyuk, for joining us from our Kolkata newsroom. And now, viewers, the fight for justice is on. It's relentless. And of course, there is another update that Moyuk got us from the Calcutta